Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I want to teach you how you can legitimately earn $500 to $1,000 weekly online with affiliate marketing every single month, 100% guaranteed. I'll be providing answers to your questions on how you can have about $500 to $1,000 every single month with this business model called affiliate marketing. Alright, let's get started immediately. I want you to imagine this. What if in the next 3 months you can find yourself consistently making $500 to $1,500 every single month? How would that change your life? Imagine that for 5 seconds. Also, what if you start making ×2 of your salary in just a single day from the comfort of your home? How would that change your life? I want to let you know that it is very possible that you can start this business from any part of the world and get paid in dollar or your local currency, depending on your choice. I believe you might be thinking right now that this sounds too good to be true. I used to have same feeling not until I found this unique no-fail simple business model I will be unveiling to you very soon in this video. Watch this video till the very end so you won't miss any updates I drop here. And I have 2 gifts worth 10,000 naira to my subscribers. If you're not my subscriber or you've not subscribed yet, this is an opportunity for you to do that now. And if you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed yet, for you to be able to qualify for this gift and be part of what we do here, you have to do this now. It is free. It is absolutely free to subscribe to this channel. You're not going to pay any money to subscribe to this channel. Come down right here and you will see the red or white subscribe button. Just click on it to subscribe. Also, you will see the bell icon here. Click on it as well and select all so that you will get notified by YouTube whenever I drop a valuable video like this, so that you'll be the first person to watch it. Also, come here and like this video and share this video to your friends on all social media platforms in order to get them informed as well. And now you have to comment on the video. Comment affiliate marketing. Just write your comment affiliate marketing. Then I will know that you've performed all these tasks. Then after performing the task, you have to send me your email. Then I will send you gift directly to your inbox privately. You understand? So I'm not going to send it to you. I'm sending it to your email directly. Alright, let's get back to this video. As you can see right here, these are payments of other guys and I that are into this business model, making dollars from the comfort of our home just with our smartphone. Some of you may have this question. 1. Can I legitimately make easy and fast money online? The answer is yes, but you have been doing it the wrong way. Question 2. Do I need a laptop for this business? No, you don't need a laptop for this business. Only your phone is okay. Question 3. Is this business a referral business? No, it is not. There is nothing like bring 2 people that will bring 1 person for you to earn. It is nothing like that. You can apply this business model on your own in the comfort of your home and make a profitable living. And you can also apply this knowledge to your online business and make 10 times your sale and profit if you have an online business already. Big question here is, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business model where you get commission by promoting a company or other people's products. All you need to do is to select a good product you like and promote it to those that need that product, and once you make a sale, you get a commission from it. We can also say affiliate marketing is a system where an affiliate marketer earns commission for marketing other people's products or services. Now, let's get to know about an affiliate. An affiliate is an individual or company that markets other people or companies' products or services and gets a commission in return for sales made. The affiliate marketer picks a product they can market, then promotes that product or services to get commission on each sale you make. Let's say you make a sale of a product worth $40, which is 20,000 naira. Your commission will be $20, which is 10,000 naira. So your commission is 50%. You are getting 50% from any sale you make, depending on the price of the product. Now let's talk about what affiliate marketing is not. Number one, affiliate marketing is not an investment platform. Number two, affiliate marketing is not a referral business where you are asked to bring 2 people or 5 people. No, it is not like that. Number 3, affiliate marketing is not a Ponzi scheme where they say you have to share sponsored posts to get 50 naira. That's really funny. Affiliate marketing is nothing like that. 4, it is not a cryptocurrency or forex or any type of smart contracts which are already saturated online. And last but not the least, it is not a networking business. Alright, let me give you guys an example of affiliate marketing platforms. We have Uber, Amazon, Jumia, Airbnb. As we all know, Jumia does not own any product, but people put their products on Jumia platform. Once they make a sale, Jumia gets their commission and the owner of the product gets his own part of the money. Also, Uber does not own any car but still makes money. People bring their car to register under Uber and start riding. That is how Uber makes their money without owning a single car. Same thing with Amazon and Airbnb. If you are enjoying this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this video to get latest updates I'll be dropping here every single week. Now let's proceed. What is Digistem? Digistem is one of the biggest affiliate marketing programs in the whole of Africa and not only Nigeria. It is a digital marketplace that helps creators of those digital products get more sales and connect with a whole lot of customers. So on Digistem, once you make a sale, you get your commission in dollars, and they will send you an email to notify you, just like mine I have here. I made a sale of $30 product, then my commission is $15. Alright, let's proceed. Actually, Digistem is a new affiliate marketing product that pays you in dollar for promoting digital products. Also, Digistem is an international affiliate marketing platform where foreigners and Nigeria can become an affiliate on Digistem because they pay in dollar to your personal account. These countries are all African countries. So basically, Digistem is an affiliate marketing platform that pays you in dollars for promoting digital products. Alright, this is the marketplace of Digistem. These are the products here on the platform. They are actually very cheap and affordable. They have products like Amazon KDP, smartphone graphic design, mini importation costs, and so much more on this platform. And you can see right here, these products have a 50% commission on them. That is to say, when you make a sale of $40, $20 will be given to you as your commission. Very simple. Now, let's see how Digistem payment works. This is how Digistem platform looks like. Digistem pays its affiliates every Saturday. You will get to place your withdrawal on Saturday, then you will receive your money directly into your bank account on Saturday. But if you don't want to withdraw your money yet, you can still leave it till when you want to withdraw your money. Now let's look at how you can all register on Digistem to become an affiliate marketer and start earning in dollars. This is where the ultimate money machine course comes in. This course comprises of step-by-step framework that helps you move from $0 to $1,000 or $600,000 in 60 days. Digistem has made its registration through the Ultimate Money Machine course at $40 or 20,000 naira only. So to become an affiliate on Digistem, you have to get this course, the Ultimate Money Machine course. Now, what will you get when you got the Ultimate Money Machine course? 1. You will have access to the Ultimate Money Machine course, which is valued at $120, 60,000 naira in Nigerian currency. 2. You will get the Smart YouTube Monetization course, which is valued at $49.9, 25,000 naira in Nigerian currency. 3. You will get access to Business Professional Tool by top marketers, valued at $52.5, which is 26,250 naira in Nigerian currency. The 4th one is Build Fantastic Looking Web Page without using any code, valued at $52.5, which is 26,250 naira in Nigerian currency. The number 5 thing you're going to get access to for free is 7-figure support group / weekly call, valued at $200, which is 100,000 naira. Last but not the least, you will get access to the free Digistem account. So all these I have mentioned are what you will be getting when you purchase the Ultimate Money Machine course at $40, which is 20,000 naira. As you can see here, these are other affiliates like me who are making it in this business model called affiliate marketing. We have been making sales and earning in dollars from Digistem. Alright, here is what you'll be getting from me personally when you get started as an affiliate through me. Number 1, you will get access to my online store course for free, where you will be learning how to create a good online store like this to list your products online and get potential buyers. Secondly, you will get direct access to my mentorship, where I'll get to show you the exact same thing I do to make lots and lots of money from affiliate marketing. So if you are ready to get started right now with your $40 or 20,000 naira, all what I have mentioned above is what you will be getting access to for free without paying an extra charge. Awesome, right? I know you might have been asking how to get started as an affiliate on Digistem, so you can enjoy all these bonuses and start making money in dollars. Alright, this is how to get started. Firstly, go to the description of this video and click on the unique link I placed there for you, or use this one right here. After clicking on the link, it will bring you to the page. Scroll down till you see Get It Now. Now fill in the simple information needed and follow all the simple instructions. If you face any challenge with the registration, message me on WhatsApp and I will assist you immediately. My WhatsApp number is also in the description of this video. Now, after a successful registration, send me the screenshot on WhatsApp, so I will give you all the bonuses I listed above, and you will get started with my personal mentorship immediately without any delay. Some people might say that they are shy of selling, but let me let you know this. Don't you know you sell your way through life every single day? When you are trying to ask a girl out, or you want that guy to notice you, you are closing, or should I say, you are selling yourself to him or her. That is the reason why some people get married to who they don't love. It is because they don't know how to sell themselves or approach that person they love. Now, all you need to get started is your smartphone. You don't need a laptop to make money as an affiliate marketer. Also, you might be thinking, won't it crash? No. Capital no. This is not a Ponzi scheme where they tell you to bring 10k to get 500,000. Eliminate that mindset now and keep an open mind to a whole new world of affiliate marketing. So this business model is actually for everyone. There is no limitation. Even if you are a student or a 9-to-5 worker or any category you find yourself, this business is for you. Remember, the unique link is in the description of this video, and my WhatsApp number is also in the description of this video. If you experience any glitch or challenge registering, just message me on WhatsApp and I will assist you immediately. Or if you're able to do the registration yourself, you screenshot and send to me on WhatsApp so that you will get started immediately. Alright, message me now to get started. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and out.